Print on demand is a business model that has gained popularity in recent years, allowing entrepreneurs and businesses to sell custom merchandise without having to invest in inventory or handle shipping and fulfillment. With the right niche and design, print on demand can be a lucrative opportunity. Here are the top 5 most profitable niches for selling print on demand products. Number 1. Fitness and wellness. Fitness and wellness is a thriving market as people are becoming increasingly aware of the importance of taking care of their health and well-being. This has made people want more fitness and wellness-related products like yoga mats, gym bags, water bottles, and workout clothes. Workout clothing is one of the most popular products in this niche, as people want to look good while they exercise. With print on demand, you can offer a range of custom workout clothes, such as tank tops, t-shirts, leggings, and sports bras, all with unique designs. You can also offer workout clothes in different colors and sizes, making it easy for customers to find the perfect fit for their body type. Gym bags are another popular product in the fitness and wellness niche. Customers want a bag that is both functional and stylish, and print on demand makes it easy for you to offer a wide range of custom gym bags. You can offer bags in different sizes and designs, allowing customers to choose the perfect one for their needs. Water bottles are a must-have item for people who are focused on wellness, as they need to stay hydrated while they exercise. Print on demand makes it easy to offer custom water bottles with designs that align with your brand and the fitness and wellness niche. Yoga mats are a popular product among people who practice yoga and want to bring a touch of personality to their practice. With print on demand, you can offer custom yoga mats with unique designs that are sure to stand out. Number 2. Pop culture and entertainment. Pop culture and entertainment are a wide and diverse market that continues to grow, with millions of fans worldwide. From TV shows to movies, music, and video games, pop culture has a huge impact on our daily lives and is an essential part of our culture. The rise of streaming services has only increased the popularity of entertainment-themed products, providing people with endless hours of content to enjoy and become fans of. One of the biggest benefits of selling pop culture and entertainment-themed products is that there is always something new to offer, with new movies, TV shows, and video games being released every year. This means that your business can continue to grow and evolve, keeping up with the latest trends and offerings. T-shirts featuring popular TV show characters or movies, pop culture-inspired mugs, and phone cases are just a few of the many products that are in high demand. Fans of pop culture are passionate and dedicated, and they are always looking for ways to show their love and support for the things they are interested in. Whether it's wearing a t-shirt with a favorite character on it or using a mug with an iconic movie quote, these products allow fans to express their love and connect with others who share their interests. Another benefit of this niche is that it appeals to people of all ages, making it an excellent market to tap into for businesses of all sizes. From children who love their favorite cartoon characters to adults who are fans of popular TV shows and movies, there is a wide audience to reach and cater to. Number 3. Pet lovers. Pet lovers are a passionate group of people who love their pets and consider them to be a part of their family. They are always on the lookout for products that show off their love for their furry friends and make them feel like they're a part of their family. As a result, the pet lovers niche is one of the most profitable niches for selling print-on-demand products. Custom pet portraits are one of the most popular products in the pet lovers niche. Pet owners love having a unique representation of their furry friends that they can display in their home. These portraits can be customized with the pet's name, breed, and any other special details that make the pet unique. Pet-themed clothing is another popular product in the pet lovers niche. Pet owners love to dress their pets up in cute and funny outfits, and are also looking for clothing items that they can wear to show off their love for their pets. T-shirts, hoodies, and accessories like hats and bandanas are all popular options in this niche. Pet accessories like beds, toys, and food bowls are also popular in the pet lover niche. Pet owners are always looking for products that will make their pet's life more comfortable and enjoyable. Beds and toys provide comfort and entertainment for pets, while food bowls ensure that they are fed properly. These products are also great for pet owners who are looking for items that match their home decor. Number 4. Political and social activism. Political and social activism is a popular and ever-growing niche that offers a wealth of opportunities for print-on-demand businesses. As more and more people become politically and socially aware, they are looking for ways to show their support for the causes they believe in. This makes print-on-demand products like t-shirts with political or social messages, buttons, and stickers an attractive and profitable market to tap into. T-shirts are a particularly popular product in this niche. They offer a comfortable and stylish way for people to express their beliefs and support for various causes. Whether it's environmental activism, human rights activism, or political activism, there is a T-shirt for every cause. Political and social messages can be as simple as a tagline or a symbol, or they can be more elaborate designs featuring graphics and illustrations. Buttons and stickers are also a great way to connect with customers who are passionate about activism. These small, affordable items are a simple and effective way to show support for a particular cause. They are a very useful and profitable product because they can be used to decorate bags, jackets, notebooks, and more. One of the advantages of selling print-on-demand products in the political and social activism niche is that you don't have to worry about holding inventory or handling shipping and fulfillment. The print-on-demand model allows you to offer a wide range of products without having to worry about the financial risk of unsold inventory. Another advantage of this niche is that it is highly driven by current events and trends, allowing you to quickly respond to changing circumstances and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Number 5. Travel and adventure. Travel and adventure is a popular and ever-growing niche that is a great opportunity for those looking to sell print-on-demand products. People who love to travel and explore new places are always looking for unique and personalized products that they can use on their adventures. By tapping into this market, you can offer a range of products that cater to the needs of travelers and adventure seekers. Custom travel maps are one of the most popular products in this niche. People love to keep track of their travels and mark the places they have been to. Custom travel maps allow them to do this in a fun and personalized way. These maps can be designed with different themes and styles, from minimalist and modern to more traditional and ornate. You can even offer custom maps that feature specific countries or regions, making them a great gift for travelers who are passionate about a particular part of the world. Luggage tags are another popular product in the travel and adventure niche. They are a functional and stylish way for travelers to keep track of their luggage and make it easier to identify their bags at the airport. Custom luggage tags can be designed in a range of styles, from simple and classic to more adventurous and fun. You can also offer luggage tags with different materials and finishes, such as leather or silicone, to cater to different preferences. Passport covers are also a great product in this niche. They provide a stylish and protective way for travelers to keep their passports safe and secure, while also making them easier to find in their bags. Custom passport covers can be designed with a range of themes and styles, from classic and sophisticated to colorful and quirky. You can also offer passport covers in different sizes and materials, such as leather or fabric, to cater to different needs and preferences. The key to success in the print-on-demand market is to find a niche that resonates with your audience and to offer high-quality products that stand out from the competition. Whether you focus on fitness and wellness, pop culture and entertainment, pet lovers, political and social activism, or travel and adventure, there is a huge market for print-on-demand products that cater to these niches. So take advantage of the opportunity and start selling print-on-demand products today. Which print-on-demand niche will you choose? Let us know in the comments.